In this lesson, we're going to look at basic configuration of networks. And I'm not going to delve too much into the information here because we have an entire module set up on this later on in the course. But we can see here that I have two PLCs, PLC1 and PLC2. And if I head into the devices and network section, we'll be able to see both of these here. So it's opened in the network view, and making a connection between these two PLCs is as easy as dragging a network connection. This has created a Profinet on IE1. We can rename this. We can assign certain parameters and properties to this. You can find all of this sort of stuff where we'd expect to find it now down in the properties pane. And in these properties, we'll find things like name, subnet ID, and if I come down here, the I/O system showing PLC 1 and 2 are both connected via their Profinet interface 1 connections. Right now, what we've done is told Tier Portal that we have two PLCs sat on the same Profinet subnet. We click here where we have this little picture of an eye. This shows the IP addresses. Obviously, they need to be set on the same subnet in order to exist on the same network. But all that we've done at this point is just told Tier Portal they both belong to PNIE1. If we actually want to send information between these two PLCs, then we need to set up an appropriate connection, such as an S7 connection. And again, just dragging between these, this sets up our S7 connection here. And coming into this and having a look at the properties down here, gives you information about this connection. And again, we will come on to this in much more detail as we go through the course in the dedicated networking section. But because we're working around devices and networks at the moment, it's something that I wanted to bring to attention, that this is the place that we do the networking. And it can be straightforward for very simple connections, and it can be a little bit more complicated for connections where you don't know information about the partner you're talking to, or that you're not talking to another Siemens product or a later or earlier version than the one that you're working with. But everything is handled in here.